Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Ember, the podcast where learning English feels warm, easy, and fun. I'm Ella.
And I'm James. Hello, hello. It is so great to be here with all of you today. And Ella, I have to say, you look very happy today. What's going on?
Oh, James, I am happy. I had a really wonderful morning. My coffee was perfect, the sun was shining, and I found my keys on the first try.
Wait, you found your keys immediately? That never happens to me. I always lose them. Every single morning.
Every single morning? Really?
Every single morning. But we'll get to that later. First, everyone, if you're new here, welcome to English Ember. We make English feel comfortable and natural, just like a conversation with a friend.
Exactly. And today's episode is a big one. We're talking about how to describe your day in English. Your morning, your afternoon, your evening, all of it.
This is something every English learner needs. It's not just vocabulary, it's real conversation practice.
So before we start, we have a small favor to ask. If you're enjoying English Ember, please hit that like button right now. It really helps us reach more learners just like you.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We publish new content every week.
And if you have a friend who's learning English, share this episode with them. Learning together is so much more fun.
Okay, are we ready?
We are ready. Let's listen to today's story for the first time. Everyone, just listen. Don't worry about every word. Just feel the flow.
Wow, that was such a calm and peaceful story.
It really was. Maya sounds like she has a very organized, happy life. I want to be more like Maya.
Me too. Ella, did you notice how she starts? She says, I wake up at 6:45.
Yes, wake up is a really important phrasal verb. Some people also say I get up. James, what's the difference?
Great question. So wake up is the moment when you stop sleeping, your eyes open, your brain starts working. But get up is when you actually leave the bed and stand up.
Exactly. So for me, I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:20 because I lie there for 20 minutes checking my phone.
Same. I wake up at 7, but I don't get up until 7:30. My bed is just too comfortable.
We are both very bad at mornings, but Maya does something really smart. She stays in bed for 5 minutes and just breathes. She says it helps her feel calm.
I love that. Starting the day calmly is so important. If I rush in the morning, I feel stressed all day.
Same. Then she washes her face with cold water.
Oh, cold water. I cannot do cold water in the morning. It shocks my entire system.
I love it. It wakes me up completely. But I know some people really prefer warm water.
I need warm water, a warm shower, and a warm cup of coffee before I am a functional human being.
Okay, let's talk about breakfast. Maya eats oatmeal with honey and drinks orange juice.
Oatmeal. That's a very healthy and popular breakfast in the United States. It keeps you full for a long time.
Yes, and she drinks orange juice, not coffee. James, can you believe that?
No coffee? That's very brave. I respect it, but I could never do it.
Okay, now this part I love. After breakfast, she packs her bag, and she says she always double-checks the keys.
Double check. That is such a useful word. When you double check something, you check it a second time to make sure it's correct.
I double-check my keys every single morning, and my lock. I check my lock 3 times before I leave.
3 times, Ella.
I know, but then I can relax on the subway.
Speaking of the subway, Maya takes the subway to work, 25 minutes, and she listens to a podcast.
Very smart use of commute time. Commute, that's the trip you make every day from home to work and back.
My commute is about 30 minutes. I take the bus. I like to look out the window and think.
That sounds very peaceful. Now, Maya's job. She's a graphic designer. She says her job is creative and she enjoys it.
That is so nice. I think when you enjoy your job, your whole day feels different.
Totally. She has meetings in the morning and works on projects in the afternoon. Then at 1 p.m., she takes a lunch break.
Lunch break, my favorite part of the workday.
She eats with her coworker, Lisa. Coworker, that means someone you work with. Some people say colleague. Both are correct.
I like both words. My coworkers, my colleagues are great. We make each other laugh.
That makes the day go faster. And then after work, she stops at the grocery store.
The grocery store. And she buys vegetables, fruit, and a little chocolate because she deserves it.
I love Maya so much. She is my hero.
Right? She works hard. She deserves chocolate.
Then she cooks a simple dinner, pasta or salad, and she relaxes in the evening. One episode of a show or reading.
I love that she says she tries not to look at her phone too much at night.
That is really good advice. The blue light from phones makes it hard to sleep.
And finally, she goes to bed at 10:30. She thinks of 3 good things from the day, and then she falls asleep.
That's called a gratitude practice. It's a really beautiful way to end your day.
I might actually try that. Ella, do you do that?
I try. Sometimes I think of 5 good things. Sometimes I'm too tired and I just fall asleep immediately.
That's also fine. Sleep is good.
Okay, everyone. If you're still listening to us right now, please write the word day in the comments. Let us know you're here.
Yes, write day below and say hello. We love reading your comments.
Okay, now let's listen to Maya's story one more time. This time, try to notice all the vocabulary we talked about.
Yes, listen for the phrasal verbs, the daily routine words, and the feeling words. You'll understand so much more this time.
Let's listen.
That was great! I understood every single word the second time.
Yes, that's the power of listening twice. The first time, you get the feeling. The second time, you get the details.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today.
Perfect. So we started the morning with wake up and get up. 2 different things.
Then we had breakfast vocabulary: oatmeal, orange juice, honey, banana.
We talked about double check, which means to check something a second time.
We learned commute, the daily trip between home and work.
And coworker or colleague, the people you work with.
We talked about lunch breaks, grocery stores, and most importantly, chocolate.
Always chocolate. And finally, we ended with a bedtime routine and a gratitude practice.
So many great words, and all of them are things you can use today.
Exactly. Practice saying these sentences at home. I wake up at... I take the subway to work. I have a lunch break at noon. I go to bed at...
The more you say them, the more natural they feel.
Well, James, I think our time is almost up today.
Already? Time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. Before we go, tell us about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you double-check your keys?
Write your answers in the comments. We read every single one, and we love hearing about your lives.
And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to English Ember and give this episode a like. It means the world to us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. You are all doing amazing work with your English.
Keep practicing. Every sentence counts. Every word matters.
Until next time, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.